Hello there traders, and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to do the update on the USD versus Japanese yen. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Japanese yen first. So basically yesterday I alerted you that there is a potential for the bigger rally on the USD yen and a continuation of this strong upside cycle on the mid-long term perspective. And what happened after the CPI announcement in the US, market actually traded a little bit lower prior to that CPI, but didn't take the low. This was a key low around 141.50. Market went to the 141.59, and then it went very strongly to the upside yesterday. And market basically went to retest 144.90, and it did some overnight pullback so far, but the structure that we spoke yesterday basically sold pretty good, and we got a rejection. Market went almost 300 pips higher. For me, based on what I'm seeing, this is a still strong upside cycle. We set at the weekly time frame. We can just go to the weekly time frame. I think the 1998 highs can be in the play. This is the major pivots we got around 146.70, and I will say this major high at 147.60, right? So we have a weekly from major highs from 1998, and that's something that we might see on the yen. A strong reaction after the CPI. We retested the high. Naturally, some take profiting happened there, and then enabled supply to kick in, but now we're in a pullback mode. And we can see basically 2 hours just testing the middle Keltner line. We can see also that 10 minutes, for example, or 5-minute time frame, we have divergences there. I'll just show you here on the 5-minute time frame. So basically, we have a natural pullback on the USD Japanese yen. So my advice is still to watch for buying opportunities on the dips, and for potential full retest of 146.70 or even 147.60 mark. If we speak about gold market, we marked yesterday the major resistance at 1733, and that was a key level where we got this rejection after CPI. A strong sell-off, and seems like market will have possibility, and we can basically potentially see the major lows around 1680 to be on the test. So 1680, the lows that we have from March 2021, August 2021, June 2020, and July 2022. Seems like market is ready to continue lower. So this key resistance basically did a great job, and it held like for many days, and there was a big sell-off. So lows might be in the play 1690 and 1680 levels. So watch for selling opportunities on intraday rallies and some continuational patterns to the downside. If we speak about crude oil market, we still have kind of consolidation. It's not that clear. Market held a 20 declining moving average, and so far it's trading inside the previous day range. We're basically in the middle of the previous day range, and so far this is a big consolidation here. I will watch for potentially the market can go below 85. It can open the door for test of 81.25 or even 80 mark. If we clear the highs at 89.30 or so, we can open the door even for price towards a 95.96. But so far it's basically a balancing regime on this market. If we speak about the Bitcoin, we had a big sell-off. This is something that we spoke yesterday, that there is a potential for a sell-off if we clear lows, the cluster of the lows here. And on the CPI announcement yesterday, we got a strong sell-off. So basically, this channeling mode did a great job basically to to help us, to identify the exhaustion pattern at that stage. And this sell-off, so we got a big down day yesterday. Today so far we are trading pretty flat, pretty sideways, but still a strong selling pressure, strong momentum down. So I expect at least the price to try to attack the previous day low at 19,865, but there is also potential for a full retest of the low around 18,560 mark. So strong selling pressure, big down day, and potential for the more downside. So that will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you tomorrow morning.